up. If you don't back that, servers, if you don't back that stuff up, someday you will lose it. No matter if doesn't matter if brand new hard drives fail. Human error, you probably got no cost, fully affordable.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, Macon County in Middle Tennessee, Northern Trousdale County in Middle Tennessee, Southeastern Robertson County in Middle Tennessee, until 7:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:15 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Westmoreland to near Gallatin to Millersville, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gallatin, Springfield, Lafayette, Hartsville, White House, Millersville, Greenbrier, Westmoreland, Ridgetop, Cross Plains, Portland, Orlinda, Mitchellville, Bethpage, Oak Grove, Bledsoe Creek State Park, and Cottontown. This includes Interstate 65 between mile markers 103 and 120. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time for Middle Tennessee. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.